your girl T.Y. Yeah. Yo. Let me show you how the best chicks do it. Put you up on this West Coast movement. And I be breaking it down, it ain't no taking me down. When it comes to this shit, I just lose it. I'ma make sure you know my name. T.Y. last name killing the game. And I be keeping it high, so when the beat drop, make the beat rock and knock it till your feet stop. Lyrically, I kill, Bill. Number one spot, I will steal. This right here, you will feel. I'm the truth, the real deal. It ain't no question, I'm the shit, no second guessing me. Any song you do, I'ma murder it, lyrically. Now can you top that, drop that, tell me can you stop that? I'ma keep going, no stopping. The wait is over, I'm taking over the game, I'm taking over the name, the box, I'm stay popping. I'ma do what's never been done, win that battle that's never been won. Taking that crown right off your head, filling that spot and spinning that bread. I'm so kind when it comes to this shit. I'm pushing forward, no rewind when it comes to this script. It ain't no doubt I'm on the grind and you know how it go. Yo, even with a maxi pads, you ain't stopping my flow. Yeah, I'm hotter than a hotter, beat the track like the pinata, chasing nothing but them dollars, got your girlfriend trying to holler. I'm going in like a fucking other. You better warn your brother, sister, cousin, and your mother. I thought I told you that the wait is over, time is up. I'm like your worst habit, it's time to give it up. I'm well established, living lavish, cause I paid my dues. I'm on a winning spree, watching all you others lose. And while you sleep, I'm on my working tip, no time to snooze. A message to the labels, wake up, I'm the one to choose. The wait is over, know you're tired of waiting. Well, I'ma give you more than you been anticipating. I'm from the West, it's about that time I give it up. I got a sick flow, make you wanna throw it up. I speak the truth, I'm going stupid up inside the booth. I got a message, so it's time for me to show and prove. And while they wishing I'm quitting, I'm gonna be getting. No time for quitting, no quitting, I got a job to do. I'm going hard like it's my last bar. And I ain't going nowhere, I'm going damn far. Yeah, it's your girl T.Y. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, share this with your friends, you know what I'm saying? I got love for y'all. Peace.